Okay, so as I said before, the average millionaire has over 7 streams of income, and they are not 7 jobs, as I said, 7 streams of income. Real estate, rental property, like I talked about before, stock investments, tax-free municipal bonds, franchises, vending machines, book royalties, and monetize websites, YouTube, and stuff like that. Now, this is not discussed in mainstream media at all. All they talk about is, well, they may talk about the stock market. Stock market goes up, crypto, Bitcoin is going up, to 60,000. They'll talk about stuff like that. But no one really talks about having rental property. Well, no one talks about tax-free municipal bonds. Now, that one really got my attention when I was a financial advisor years ago, tax-free municipal bonds. I knew nothing about them, but the gist of it is this. With a tax-free municipal bond, you can have your money inside a bond, and when you get that interest or that money from the bond, it is received tax-free. So you could, let's say you have $1 million in a bond, and I'm just going to throw a number out. Let's just say it's yielding 5% annually. So that means basically you're getting $50,000 from that bond tax-free. How many people can live on $50,000 tax-free and you still have your bond? That's a wonderful deal. And then when that bond matures, what do? You just roll it over into a new bond. I mean, that is a wonderful thing. Franchises. How many people would like to own, say, a Chick-fil-A or 5 Chick-fil-A's? Can you imagine owning 5 Chick-fil-A restaurants? How much money you could have coming in every single month? Vending machines. Vending machines can generate anywhere from $3,000 a year to $7,000 a year. If you have 10 vending machines, let's just say each one generates $5,000. You got 10 vending machines, you just made $50,000 selling microwave popcorn, Coca-Cola, and Snickers. Think about it. Amazing. Book royalties. I have 11 books. 11 books. That's all I have to say. I have 11 books, and not all of them selling, but most of them are selling. And they are on Amazon, and people can buy my books. I'll look up one day and say, oh, I sold some books today. Passive income, multiple income streams. Then you have the websites and YouTube and stuff like that. You see these influencers on Instagram and TikTok. Do you know they're making money off of that? If you have 50,000 subscribers, 100,000 subscribers, 200,000 subscribers, 1 million subscribers, you are making money off of your YouTube, your Instagram, your TikTok, and your Facebook. You are making money. You have monetized it. With a monetized website, you can literally go in and put ads on your website. If people click on the ad, you make money. In other instances, if people click on your ad or your link and they buy something from that affiliate, you made a commission. Just that simple. The more traffic you have on your website and it's monetized, the more money you can make. So there are many, many different ways a person can generate money and revenue. And so me personally, I have a strategy, and everyone needs to have a strategy. My strategy is to keep accumulating my gold and silver, and then when the time is right, I will use some of that gold and silver to purchase rental property. Rental property. That's my plan. So have a strategy, and this is just some examples of multiple streams of income and passive income. There are many others out there. The key for you is to do your research, but have a plan and know that there are opportunities out there instead of just saving your money and stocking up on toilet paper and standing in line to buy gasoline. You can really look into doing some of these things here and really take better care of yourself for future reference.